I wanted to tell you about a leadership learning circle that I have on change and how it helps leaders look at all the ways we might prevent ourselves from making a change that's really important to us. And so this work really acknowledges that change is hard and it's a heavy lift as a leader. What I love is in a small group to go through this process where we develop skills and insights and sharing to make leadership a lighter lift and more joyful and more fun, with a strategy to reach our goals and notice our habits and patterns that trip us up. There's more information below. I hope you'll join me.